In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Airbnb app. This walkthrough will help you quickly update how prices are displayed so you can compare stays and experiences in a currency that makes sense for you. It's a simple setting, but it can make planning and budgeting much clearer. Start by opening the Airbnb app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so the change applies across your profile. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in through the usual prompt, then return to the app's home screen. Next, look for your profile icon. On many devices, it appears in the bottom right corner, and on some, it may be up in the top right. Tap that icon to open your account area. From here, open Settings. The layout can vary slightly depending on your device and app version, but you'll see a section labeled either Account or Global Settings. Tap that to continue. Inside these settings, find Language and Currency. This area controls how the app displays text and money. Tap Language and Currency, then select Currency. You'll see a list of available currencies. Scroll through and choose the one you prefer, such as USD, EUR, GBP, or whichever currency helps you compare prices most easily. Simply tap your preferred currency to select it. Now head back using the arrow in the corner of the screen. There's no need to hunt for a save button. Your change is automatically saved. Within a moment, you should notice prices across the app update to your chosen currency, including search results, listing pages, and the booking flow. A few helpful notes as you finish up. Changing the currency only affects how prices are displayed in the app. It doesn't change the language unless you adjust that separately in the same language and currency area. The currency setting is especially useful when you're planning trips in different countries and want a consistent view of costs. Keep in mind that Airbnb uses current exchange rates to display approximate totals, and your bank or payment provider may still apply its own conversion if your payment method is in a different currency. If you don't see the change immediately, give the app a second to refresh as you navigate. That's it. Open the app, log in, go to your profile, enter settings, open account or global settings, tap language and currency, choose currency, pick your preference, and go back to confirm. With your currency updated, browsing and booking on Airbnb will feel more familiar and transparent.